Red ants, you hear him?
Yeah.
What the heck is wrong with him?
We're walking on this nest. We were just walking on a bunch of ants. Not fire ants, of course. But
That's.
Water. Look at that.
I told you water.
Oh yeah, we're definitely not going that way. There's a path, but it's obviously blocked. Leanna, come on, go take a bath.
Come on. Relax.
Go fish for food in your natural habitat.
Yeah, he's just darting around. They got little fish in there.
Look for a
Moves
frog.
around. Look. See him? Right there. The little fish. Zip, zip, zip.
Stop trying to swim.
What is that? Crayfish?
Come this way. Come. I'll hold your hand. Go. The log.
Oh, on the log.
Yeah, on the log. Go, baby.
Wow, Ezekiel chose the hard way.
Shush.
Meanwhile,
I'm gonna push you off there.
If you fall.
if I fell, that would have been funny.
I would
You
definitely.
know how perfect this spot is to come out here, bring your tent and just set it? Right here.
Ezekiel, don't do it.
Although I'm not jumping in, I just kind of want to see.
It's probably little guppies. It's probably little guppies inside.
Minnows. They call them minnows.
There's something flying around.
Same thing.
I'm too scared to check if it's a bee or not. I'm a little bit too terrified to check if that's a bee.
Some bugs start bugging around.
I already heard a buzz.
I think they're more about water.
Andre, there's a path up ahead. Like,
Don't the fish eat the mosquito larvae?
actually, yeah, yeah.
I was hoping I saw a crayfish in there.
There's a big number of mosquitoes out there. I'm not going straight to the forest.
Why are you screaming? Is that a deer? Okay, I'll go far. Yeah, I know. There's more water. Yeah.